Come back, we're still treating bearing. I will have two questions. The first one, X is a point due east of point Y. Now let's locate the point due east of Y. So this should be our Y. On a coast, Z is another point on the coast, but this due south of Y. Due south is direct. So this is 6 √3. Okay. If the distance ZX is 12 kilometers, ZX we join 12 kilometers. Now to calculate the bearing of Z from X. Bearing of Z from X. So we are looking for this. The whole of this. No, the whole of this. Okay. Now, since this is due east, means that this is 90 because it's direct. So let's consider this angle to be B, and then for us to find angle B, no, this is adjacent to it. This is hypotenuse. So 6 √3 all over 12 is equals to cos. Let's just call this theta. Equal to cos theta. 6 can divide, and this is 2. So we are having √3 over 2 is equal to cos theta. And then for us to calculate this, we can use the method that we have shown before in one of my videos. To draw this, and this is 2 √3, and then this is 1 1. So this is angle 60, this is angle 30. So with this you can know tan, sine, and cosine. So we are talking of cos theta now. Cos theta. So let's see √3 over 2. √3 over 2. That's considering this 30 adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means √3 over 2 is equal to cos 30 degrees from here. So we can say that therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees. So this is how, assuming you are in an exam hall, and in order not to waste time checking calculator, you can draw this and then you can see. So if I'm considering this angle now, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So √3 over 2 will be cos 30. But if I'm considering angle 60, this will be my opposite, while this is the adjacent, and so on. Now, we have known this to be 30. But whatever is here should be here. So this is also theta. That means coming up here, we say that YZX. Let us level this TU. YZX. YZX should be equal to YXU. YXU. That is this angle, and that is equal to 30 degrees. Raising alternate angle. So we're looking for the bearing of Z from X. So we'll continue to clean some of this. So we know that the bearing of Z from X should be equal to, as I said earlier, 180 plus this angle here. That should be 180 plus theta is equal to 180 plus 30 degrees. So this is 30, this is 30. So that will give us 210 degrees as the answer. So that is the answer to question number 1. So we go over to question number 2. Go over to question number 2. And question number 2, from a point P, the bearing of two points Q and R. From a point P, let us have this. P. The bearing of 2 points Q and R are 67 degrees north, 67 degrees west. That means this is north, 67 degrees west. This is 67. I have another thing here. Then, and north, 23 degrees east. This is another one. 23 degrees east. Okay. Then, if the bearing of R from Q is this, we have point P, bearing of 2 points Q. This is Q, and R. This should be our R. So if I have this, then have R. Okay, so if the bearing of R from Q is not 68 degrees east, so we have this R from Q. This is north, and then 68 degrees east. That means we have this, okay? We can call this S. Okay. Now, and then PQ is 150 meters. We have to calculate PR. So what happens is that we have to calculate the angle. Now, this is 67, this should be 67, alternate angle, 67. Then, again, this is, if this is 67, this place should be 33. That's 90 minus 67. That is 3. Sorry, 23. So this should be 23. This small angle here. Then again, we have 90 minus 68. That's 22. So this small angle here is 22. Okay. So that means we are saying that PQS equal to 23 degrees, while RQS equal to 22 degrees. Therefore, RQP, that's the whole of this angle, is equal to PQS plus RQS. This is equal to 23 plus 22, and that is 45 degrees. Okay. Again, we know that the whole of angle P is equal to 67 degrees plus 23 degrees. That will give us 90 degrees. So, for us to find, we have to calculate PR. So we can use any formula. So this is opposite. This is adjacent to this. So we can say that PR all over 150, PR, that is this, all over this, to give us, opposite of adjacent is a tan 45 degrees. And again, it means that PR is equal to 150 degrees, 150, sorry, not degrees, 150 tan 45 degrees. But if you use the formula I gave you before, you can just quickly do this. This is 45 root 2, 1, 1. We are talking of tan. So tan here will be 1 over 1. That is opposite over adjacent. That means tan 45 is 1. So this is equal to 150 times 1. Therefore, PR is equal to 150 meters. And that is the answer to question number 2. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, we put it in the comment section so that I will look at it in the next video. Thank you.